classes and placeholders. To simplify understanding, numbers are grouped into sets of 3 digits that start from right to left. These groups are known as classes. Thus, starting from the right, we have the simple class, the thousands class, the millions class, then the billions class, and so on. A small space or a comma is often used to separate the classes from each other. The 3 digits contained in a class are known as placeholders. Thus, for each class we have the placeholder of ones, tens and hundreds as is shown on screen. This number can be written as 601,843,279 or 601,843,279 and means 603,843,279. For example, the placeholder containing the digit 4 shows 10,000s, the placeholder containing the digit 1 shows 1 millions, and so on. Example: what does the digit 4 indicate in the following numbers? Solution: 1. Since Hindu Arabic numerals increase by 10 times when moving from right to left, we have 2 for ones, 3 for tens, 6 for hundreds, 8 for 1000s, 4 for 10,000s, 2 for 100,000 and 3 for 1 millions. Hence, the digit 4 here indicates 10,000s. 2. Here the digit 4 indicates tens, as it is in the second position from the right. 3. Here the digit 4 indicates 1000s, as it is in the fourth position from the right. That is all for lesson 1.1.6, and the end of tutorial 1.1. To continue chapter 1, please watch 1.2, Introduction to Number Sets, Positive and Negative Numbers and Number Lines. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.